Please tell us about yourself and your company.
See, I am Rajesh Sharda and I am engineer and MBA by profession with 3 decades of experience in manufacturing and infrastructure sector. Autometers has been a prime mover and contributor to Indian Railways since last over 6 decades. And I think we were the major contributor of Make in India, not today, but 2 decades back, when we tied up with a lot of technology partners overseas like Hyundai, Rotem, Toshiba, Whiteley, Hassler, and got lot many technologies and products in the country and indigenized a lot of them actually. Today if you look at the bandwidth, we make products from millivolt to megawatt, and this kind of bandwidth in product development from a low voltage side of power electronics to a very high voltage side of power electronics is very rare in the company, in the country as well as maybe globally. And we have products which are available on the sensor side, and we have got products like hotel load converter, which is 2 into 500 kVA, 1 megawatt equipment that we are supplying, and we are also working on propulsion for 6000 HP currently actually. The motto of Autometers always has been pride for India. So Atmanirbhar Bharat and Make in India is something which we have infused in our blood almost 2 decades back. Currently in this last 8 to 9 months also, we have launched several Make in India products, starting with HOG, which was purely homegrown technology product. Then we have launched primary current sensor, where we are the second developer in the world. Then we develop contractors, actually which are high-end contractors, which are also homegrown actually. We develop HOG sensors, which are again homegrown. We are developing many products in metro segments, which are again with the indigenized technology. So there has been a lot of emphasis in Autometers to become Atmanirbhar, and in the past also, and we take this journey forward. Our R&D has is a DSIR approved, and we have got a lot of good testing facility as well in terms of our all talent management into R&D and technology space. And we keep on experimenting with a lot of newer technologies, and we are very confident of getting best of the technology, global technologies in the country, and develop products which many people would find it difficult.
What are the major products you're dealing in, and which is your main market?
See again, yeah, thanks for asking this question. See, this question, our focus is absolutely in line with the theme of Atmanirbhar Bharat, and we strongly believe it. We take pride in our nation. We take pride in the talent which is available in India, and we would like to nurture the talent here rather than letting it go abroad as a brain drain actually. So we are assimilating a lot of talent with us in Autometers, and the product that we are showcasing is hotel load converter and the components of propulsion, because we have produced and manufactured and developed almost all the components of propulsion except traction converter. And the other products that we are showcasing here is all which we have made it as part of Atmanirbhar Bharat, where we are the first developer in the country. Till now these products have been sourced from overseas, which I shared with you, primary current sensor, contractors. We are also developing EOTT, which is again we are going to be developing it in-house actually. We are also developing IP based systems, P and PID system for the metro. We are launching our 2-color LED and multicolor LED systems. So we are pioneers in becoming first movers in the country actually, and we are very confident of taking the theme forward, not today but in the near future as well. I think.
How do you find the railway market today, and how do you view the railway progress within India, both for railways and metro?
See, first of all, we are very thankful to the railway as our customer, Indian Railway as our customer. We see a very collaborative approach of every member of railway board. Every GM, design head and chief of electrical and every officer of railway who have always encouraged us, who have come forward, supported us, and are in developing various products. And I think whatever pride I take, I would like to see, but I would like to give full credit to our customer Indian Railway, because without their support and encouragement and the progressive outlook, I think the way Indian Railway is transforming or it's transformed is phenomenal. There is a very progressive outlook of getting future technology in the country, and it's a lot of modernization which is happening, a lot of technology upgradation which is happening, and we are partner in that actually. The plan 2013 is an excellent document in itself, which is a very transparent document, and I do not see a very typical government, or it's a misnomer basically, but we see a very collaborative approach and very supportive and encouragement which we receive from railway officials actually.